Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable the camera timer on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So let's open the camera, and then in order to set up the timer, at the top in the middle of the screen over here we have this clock, this timer. We can tap on this icon in order to open the settings, and here we can choose 3 or 10 seconds or turn the timer off. So of course if we set it to 3 seconds, then after pressing the shutter button, the photo will be taken 3 seconds after. We can also switch to, of course, 10 seconds and turn this option off. Now keep in mind that this option is not available for every mode. It is also available in the portrait mode, however. It is accessible in the Pro mode, and that should be it. I don't think it's available on Scan, no. So we have Pro, Portrait, and Photo, and probably some others that are accessible through the More panel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.